Hello, we are Jeonjin Entec, a global plant internal specialist company. Today we would like to introduce Jeonjin Entec's technology and competitiveness, which are responsible for the process performance in the refining gas and petrochemical industries. Founded in 2003, Jeonjin Entec is a specialized manufacturing company that directly designs and produces key equipment such as column trays, packing, mist eliminators, and reactor internals, which determine the efficiency and stability of plants. We are establishing a complete, one-stop system that performs all processes in-house, from design to manufacturing, inspection, and quality control, based on 3 production plants located in Gangseogu, Busan. With accumulated technological expertise and a quality-centered management approach, Jeonjin Entec has steadily expanded its market, standing shoulder to shoulder with global leading companies not only in the domestic market, but also in overseas markets. The vision of Jeonjin Entec is clear. Our goal is to grow into the world's leading chemical and plant internal manufacturing company and to become a company that impresses customers beyond trust through securing advanced technology and stable quality. In the future, we will continue to invest in the development of new technologies and research of new products, boldly challenging new markets. Here are the 3 key competitive advantages that make Jeonjin Entec a preferred choice in the global market. First, it is the core internal expertise of the plant. We directly design and manufacture key components such as column trays, random packing, structured packing, and mist eliminators that determine the performance of refining, gas and petrochemical plants. Second, we have global quality competitiveness. Based on international certifications, we possess manufacturing and quality systems that meet global standards, including ASME EU, U2, S-stamps, ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, and NB certifications. This means that the products of Jeonjin Entec can be trusted anywhere in the world. Third, it is the capability to provide customer-tailored one-stop engineering. We perform all processes from design, analysis, production, inspection, to delivery in-house, providing solutions that are optimized for customer process conditions, quickly and accurately. The product range of Jeonjin Entec is very diverse. Tray types such as bubble cap, sieve, valve tray, random packings like JMTP, Paul ring, Rashig ring, various column internals, including structured packing, liquid distributor, and support grid, and we provide essential equipment needed for the entire plant process, including the Jetmister series mist eliminator, reactor internals, and catalyst support systems. All products are manufactured through customized engineering designs, tailored to customer requirements and process characteristics. Jeonjin Entec collaborates with major domestic refining and chemical companies such as SK LG Chem, GS Caltex, S-Oil, and Hyundai Oil Bank, as well as global EPC and oil major companies like Petrobras, Qatar Energy, Toyo, Jacobs, and Petrofaci. This is clear evidence that Jeonjin Entec's technology and quality are recognized globally beyond just the domestic market. Jeonjin Entec will continue to leap forward as a leading company in the global plant industry, based on excellent technology, stable quality, and genuine trust. Jeonjin Entec, engineering your future. Thank you.